How to remove ads from Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. As you get there, scroll down through the menu and select Apps at the bottom. From here, select Safari from the menu and again scroll down to the General menu. Now, turn on the block pop-ups from the menu to prevent new windows or tabs from automatically appearing on websites you visit. When the block pop-ups toggle is green, Safari will block most pop-up windows, providing a cleaner browsing experience by default. This will reduce unwanted ads, spam, and distractions. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily remove ads from Safari on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.